Unit 9 test. Listening. 1. Belinda.
It's very special being on the water. You can move really fast. You can race on the ocean with other people and see who is faster.
2. Drew.
I don't have a bike, but my brother has a really good one. It's new and very fast. I fell off it the other day, but luckily I was okay.
3. Erin.
I don't like sports you do on your own. For me, it's important to be on a team. I love this game because you play it with the ball. There are 6 players on a team, and my team plays every Monday and Friday. I think we're very good.
4. Chris.
I started doing this sport when I was 6 years old. I think the sport comes from Japan. Now I go to my local club and do competitions. We wear white clothes for this sport.
5. Ava. I go to a park in town to do this. It's a lot of fun. But sometimes it's hard to learn the new jumps. Sometimes my friends and I go into town to practice in the street. But other people don't really like that very much.